I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat. Well, who's winning? It took me some time, but now I'm moved on because I realize I got myself.
Hey guys, good morning, and it's weekend. It's Saturday, so as you can see, I just finished packing my things because I'll be traveling. It's my first time in Lagos, so I don't know how this may sound, but there's always a first time to, a state in someone's life. I know a lot of persons have not been to a lot of states in Nigeria for the first time, so and I'm number one. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome back to Annabe's Kitchen and Bake. If this is your first time, you're welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back always and all the time. If you've not subscribed, please do it to hit the subscribe button below, to like, share, and to comment. And soon I upload a new video, you need to turn on your notification button to get notified when I upload a new video. It's morning, and I just made my hair yesterday, so I'll be going to make my booking. I'm actually traveling by road. So I want to go visit a friend, and I'm going with a lot of things. I'll be baking today as well. I'm also going to bake today, so you guys are going to carry along. I'm going to carry you guys along on everything, all my journey throughs and all that, all the whole thing, the road trips and all of it. And Lagos is gonna welcome me. So I just finished packing, and I'll be heading to GIG for booking, and then afterwards I'll be coming back for baking. After baking, I'll be going for my nails. I did my nails on Monday, yes, but I'm not just too comfortable with nails because I don't know, maybe it's because I usually bake, because of the baking stuff. So baking is always very stressful for me, so I did it and I wasn't comfortable. I had to pull it out last night, so I just want to go do some nail polishing on my nails, and then that's the only thing I have to do so I can feel comfortable and have my peace. Okay, so I won't be taking much of your time. I was actually filming, and then NEPA took light. They took the whole light, though the light was a bit low when they brought it last night. But so my day is going to be so busy. I need to finish up so I can rest against my journey tomorrow. Okay, in case you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe, because I'm going to carry you guys along. I'll be meeting a few of the Lagos YouTubers, and then let's see if we can create a little bit of content for you guys. Okay, my voice is not going to be loud because I wouldn't want my neighbors to hear my voice. Hope you guys are liking my skin a little bit. Okay, so let's just go over, and I'm gonna come back, and then we'll do the rest of the videos. Okay, bye.
It's in my own love. It's so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong because I realize I got myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself. I know that I will never be by myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me.
Hey guys, so after my booking at GIG, I was informed that I can't carry too many luggages at the same time, and what I had was much, so I quickly had to rush down to my tree. If you're familiar with Port Harcourt, you should know my tree market. I had to go to my tree to buy this thing. Initially I went to my skincare vendor to pick up one or two for my skincare. Then I asked her of direction where I could get a box, so she gave me this direction where I can get my box, and I will just have to repack again. This was really stressful for me, but then what do? I have no choice than to do this. The box is actually big. I was even thinking it was a big size, but then it was confirmed that it was the big size. So this was what I got. I got the niacinamide serum, and I also got some cream for my breakout, because I was having itches on my face. So my skincare vendor decided to give me something to clear up sunburn before I could apply my sunscreen and every other thing. So guys, this is just the end of me packing. Please do it to like, share, and to comment, because more vlog is coming your way, guys. This Lagos trip is really an interesting one, so just join me and pack up, and then see you guys in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to give us thumbs up.